Hey there YouTube, this is Karenna Wolfsong, and today I'm going to show you how to animate the background text of your logo in After Effects. As always, please remember to hit the subscribe button below. First, open your logo. If you would like to learn how to create a logo in After Effects, check out this video. Click on the video icon to unhide the text to your background text layer. With the layer selected, type in the letter P as in position. Scroll your text to where you would like the animation to begin. Make sure your current time indicator is set to the start of your timeline. Now, click on the stopwatch. Next, bring your time indicator to the end of your timeline. Then, move the position of the text to where you will want your text animation to end. You can change position coordinates directly from the layer instead of dragging your mouse, as this ensures a straight line. Alternatively, you can use your mouse, but if you do, make sure to hold down the Shift key as you drag the text. Close your layer and hide the text by clicking on the video icon. And that's it! That's how to animate the background text of your logo. Please make sure to check out these other videos. Thanks much for watching!